Let me take a print of the logo. So this is what I got from Fiverr for $5. Let me show you each and every step how to hire a designer and work with him. Now let us search for the logo designer. For that you need to write the word logo design and you need to search it. And here you can see all the designer profiles are available here for logo design services. So now we are looking for $5 logo design services, and on first page still I can't see any services for $5. So in second page let us check. Yeah, here I can see has services for $5. So let me visit this designer profile. So this is the designer profile, and before hiring him, let us check with him whether he can do the work for us within a given time period or not, or whether he is active or not. So you can see those are the services for different prices. So let me send him a message. So this way you can send a message. So let us do the conversation. So after that click on his profile, and there is a option for order request. So this is the offer request page. You need to fill up all the details what you need, and price everything. What type of logo you need, you can select from the given option, and within how many hours you want, and this is the price. So I sent him a request, you can see here. So once he will accept the request, I'll get another option to continue. So here you can see continue option came because he accept the request, and after clicking on continue there is a option for payment. So I'll select PayPal, and through PayPal I'll pay. So the cost is $5, but the service tax is $2. So total is $7 I need to pay him. So after login to my PayPal account, I can do the payment. So here is a confirmation for PayPal payment. So I did the confirmation now. Now order is in progress. Now this money will be hold on Fiverr site. So once he share the delivery file, after that I'll confirm it and I'll release this money to him. So you need to provide the information like this and continue. So this order is under progress. 12 hours is over now. Now let me visit my Fiverr account and see what I got from the designer. Now let me visit the message. So the designer, I think, uploaded everything. Let me check it out. Yeah, you see he attached this design. This is your final delivery for this project. Please check them. I worked hard to give your logo the best possible look. If you need any further correction or need more revision, then please feel free to tell me. I'll solve your problem as soon as possible. So he gave uh, two options. You can see here. Let me view this one. So this one is not so bad, but I think the first one is more better. This one looks more professional. Are you pleased with the delivery and ready to approve it? So yes, I am pleased, and let me approve it. Yes. So once you click here, you cannot go with revision. You cannot ask the designer, okay, I need different concept or anything else. Just you will done with this project. So I think I am satisfied with this. So let me approve it. So how satisfied are you with the value for money of this service? So I am very satisfied. Continue. So communication with seller. Let me give excellent. Service as described. Excellent. Buy again or recommended. Yes. What was it like working with the seller? So I wrote some comments here. This is the feedback. So once I click here, this feedback will be visible on his profile, so that other new customers or new clients can see this feedback, and they can attract to this designer, and he will get more and more project in upcoming days. So send feedback. So thanks for the review. I gave him review, and you can see now status is order completed, and I paid $7. You can see he attached source file, so I'll download this zip one. So now let me open this Illustrator file. So these are the two files he has sent. So let us zoom it. Now compare both the logo and tell me which one I'll use for my channel. I'll see your comment. Hope you like this video, and I think you came to know what type of file you need to deliver to your client. So wish you all the best, and see you in next video. Have a great day.